Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to rotate a picture in Microsoft Word quickly and accurately. First, open your document and click on the picture you want to rotate. Once selected, you will see a circular arrow handle appear right above the top center of the image. To freely rotate the picture, simply click and hold that circular handle. Drag your mouse to the left or the right until the image reaches the angle you want, then release the mouse. For exact rotations, like a perfect 90-degree turn, click on the picture to select it. Then look at the ribbon at the very top of your screen and open the Picture Format tab. Find the Arrange section and click the Rotate icon. A menu will drop down. Here you can instantly rotate the image, right 90 degrees, left 90 degrees, or flip it vertically and horizontally. If you need a highly specific angle, click on More Rotation options at the bottom of that list. Just type your exact degree measurement into the rotation box and hit OK. Your picture is now perfectly aligned. Thank you for watching ClearTask. Subscribe for more direct software guides.